capacitor. We are at this no cool call. So this is a 45.5. Purple is your Herm, so I'm gonna mark an H on there. Ooh, ugly ass H. Brown fan, too common. Man, look at this capacitor. Let's hit that wobble test. Checking Herm. I've never seen a run cap this dead. Holy shit. Got the new run cap. That one's not loose at all. Common. Let's tuck that back in there. Let's put the disconnect back in. What the heck was that? No, now we need to take the wire nuts off again. Jumper it out. Alright, there you guys go. Now let's put our wire nuts back on.